Rachel and Doug Swardstrom here with the Swardstrom Group and Caldwell Banker at our latest listing at 4 Stardust in Turtle Rock.
And Turtle Rock is an amazing place to live. It has towering trees, beautiful parks, hiking trails. We're near Shady Canyon. In this particular location, we're close to the community pool and only 1 block away from the tennis courts.
And inside is just as elegant, 1,525 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and so meticulously elegant. You will love this home.
So if you'd like a tour of this home or a tour of Turtle Rock, we're happy to help you. Please just give us a call or text us.
Enjoy the video.